kidogo. Asante sana, please be seated. Naona mawingu yametanda, kwa hivyo nitaenda haraka sana kwa sababu hii mvua yetu ikianza inaanza na fujo. Nitajaribu kuongea kwa haraka sana. Kwanza kabisa, I'm most grateful. I'm so thankful for all of you who have come here today. My big brother Kalonzo Musyoka, thank you very much, plus your team. The team that you come with, that include leaders, include bishops, includes everybody. Thank you so much for bringing this team here. Your action speaks louder than words. I also want to thank you for coming to mourn your brother. The other day I said, I don't know where we were, but during this period, maybe we're in Kisumu, maybe we're here. I told the people that in politics, there are no enemies. In politics, there are no enemies. Don't think that so-and-so, because he's in a different party, he's my enemy. He's not your enemy. And don't go fighting people on behalf. Don't make, particularly young people, don't make yourself tools to fight people who you perceive to be in the wrong party. You'll be wasting your time, you'll be killing each other for nothing. Because today, they're in different party. Tomorrow, they're in the same party. So, most important thing is that we fight for democracy in our country. I'm not a politician, I'm just talking. My profession is teaching. I'm a teacher. Let's fight for the democracy for all Kenyans. And we carry, or I'll ask my brother, that's what Raila used to call him, my brother Steve, that carry the country, not the Kamba. And today you have demonstrated it, because not all people who came here are Kambas. I even saw a Luo coming from Ukambani as one of our Kamba leaders. I don't know what assemble car. Huh? And not one, many. I saw many. So we are one people, and we must work as people of the same nation. In case, now I'm asking on behalf of my husband, to all those people who call him names and who thinks he was wrong, if he annoyed you or he did something that you did not like, I beg you to forgive him, because he's gone. Amen. But I can do that on his behalf. Forgive him, because he was forgiving people easily. He said, forgive and let's move on. So you also, wherever you are, don't hold grudges with him. He's already gone. He's with his maker. He's with the Christ. He's with God. He's not here. In fact, I think the Spirit is looking down at you and saying, what are they crying about? This is a good place. And I'm sure if there are people who go to good place because of their past deed, Raila is one of those people. Now, today, the guests who came today, you've done something that is not very common in this part of area. We know when you go to Yuagongato, inyaloka udogimo kariyo kata dik, idhigo. But Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka came with 100 heads of cattle. Okel obiruga gidhok 100 yawa. Anko wacho apparently my ear is not working, serving me well. So I had to call Honorable Orengo to come and help me hear what he was saying. And not only that, he went and showed us 100 heads of cattle. Yawa. Dongotimo maber. Isn't that good? Not to mention the lot of foodstuffs that they've come with. Thank you so much. And I'm sure those who are going to come after you to the funeral, there's plenty of food. Don't worry. The Kamba Nation has brought us a lot of food that we are going to eat until Christmas and beyond. Thank you so much. And with those few remarks, I thank you so much. Thank you for coming. I know it's just about to start raining, and may God bless you.
Thank you, Your Excellency. May I request that